gentlemen, for the first time in Indian football, globally renowned footballers will be playing alongside the best Indian footballers with a mission to revolutionize the sport. Hero Indian Super League is positioned as a high-quality and dynamic league that will elevate Indian football to an international level. So one more round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. तालियां हो जाए एक बार. All right. Now you're going to clap when I announce this because it's going to be very exciting, something you all have been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to call the charming, sporty, talented and iconic co-owner of Chennai Football Club, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan.
Good afternoon, members of the media. आप सबका स्वागत है. Thank you. It's a very important day for all of us here at Chennai NFC. We get to unveil our jersey. Just to start off with, you will have to excuse one of our co-owners. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, as you know, is busy on national duty, so could not be with us today, but he sends his best wishes. So today I have with me some of the members of our team, because as you know, we're about to kick off the ISL. Opening match is on the 12th in Kolkata, and Chennai plays its first match on the 15th in Goa against Goa. So all the boys are busy training right now in Chennai. We have, with a lot of difficulty, managed to pry out 5-6 of them to come here to be with us today. And they're all very excited to come and meet you all. मैंने उन सबसे कहा है कि मुंबई का जो media है is very loving and very kind. I will not ask them any controversial questions. So I'm not going to take up much of your time because I know everybody's very busy. I'd like to now invite upon stage my partner in crime in Chennai NFC, the co-owner of Chennai FC, the very beautiful and a wonderful friend of mine, Mrs. Vita Dani.
Good afternoon and a very warm welcome today. Thank you for being here. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Srini Gopalan, the CEO of Ozone Group, for believing in us, for being here today, and for being the primary sponsor of Team Chennai FC. I have to admit that my journey with Chennai FC has been very exciting. I started the partnership of Kabaddi League, and then we moved on to the winner of the IPL, the Champions League, which is MS Dhoni. And I'd like to believe that we are moving in the right direction, but all this is only possible with the performance of our team players. So I really look forward to the entire season, and I look forward to your continual support. Thank you.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we're all here for. It is with immense pride that I would now like to invite onto stage some of the members of Chennai NFC and reveal to you all the home jersey of Chennai NFC. Boys, can you come on stage, please? There's an extensive process to designing a jersey. Obviously, once you have your design partners and your apparel partners on board, they contribute a lot. You have to pick, in the ISL we have 3 colors. We have a home and away and a third kit, which is a very normal practice in football around the world. So the blue is our home color. So in all our home matches we'll be playing in blue. Our away will be a different color, third is a different color. These are things that, Vita and I have been sitting on for the last month and a half, sitting and designing. Obviously, the first process is to get the logo. The logo is something both of us are very, very excited about and very proud of. Vita was very clear when we first started sitting down with the design team to design the logo about what it should represent. We wanted it to be very Indian in nature, and we wanted a symbol that represented Chennai and Tamil Nadu as well. So we went through a whole array of different designs when we finally centered on what you see right now. This is kind of like a nazar battu hum log jo ghar ke bahar lagate hain na. It's very commonly seen in Tamil Nadu. It's to ward off the evil eye and to seek good vibes, positive vibes and blessings. So we hope that the Chennai FC logo wards off all evil and helps us win the inaugural cup as well. So we're very excited about it, and these are things that we've spent endless hours sitting together and trying to work out and design. And obviously we had a bit of help and guidance from our design team. We won the first Kabaddi Pro Kabaddi League, which was a huge blessing. I can take absolutely no credit for that. The credit goes entirely to the Jaipur Pink Panthers, who worked so wonderfully. I expect the same for my boys. They've been training very hard in this heat to go out there and still be training. We've had a few friendly matches in which we've performed well. And I'm very positive about the way they've been preparing themselves. A lot of them want to rush back because I have actually pulled them out of training today to come here for the press meet. But I thought it was very important that they get to meet the Mumbai press as well. So they're practicing hard. It's completely up to them. The only support, Mahi, Vita and I can give them is moral support. And that's what I believe in terms of being an owner of a team, is that you have to just be available to your team members, to your players, and make them as comfortable as possible. Strategy, what to do on the pitch, not to do, is up to Marco, who's our manager, and to the players and the management that handles them. We will not be getting involved. I didn't get involved in Kabaddi in that way. I'm just there, as you might have seen, on the sideline, giving them as much support as possible. They should know that the people that are responsible for them being on that pitch are available to them to help them out in whatever. So our job is now more moral support than anything else, and to make sure that they're comfortable and they have everything that they need. The rest in terms of preparation is up to the management, is up to Marco, who's our manager, and after all, up to the players and how inspired they are. And they're very inspired right now. They want to make a huge impact. All our international players that are coming in are very excited to be in India. It's a new experience for them. It's a new challenge for them. And for our local players, they really want to go out there and prove that the quality and standard of Indian football is something that the world needs to wake up to. And the greatest thing is everybody believes in the project that we're trying to put together in Chennai, and we want to make it into a success. Having said that, I don't think anybody in the management or in the ownership, I'm not going to expect anything of these people. I'm not going to say you have to win the cup. I'm just going to go there, play your heart out, do your best. That's all I can ask for. I've been a sportsman myself, so I know at the end of the day, just go out there, do your best. I'm not going to ask for anything else. And keeping in mind the talent that we have, just the talent that you have on the stage right now, I think we're very well equipped to go out there and hopefully win the title. Like most football fans, I'm a terrible footballer. And I'm actually a basketball player, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं. मैंने फुटबॉल खेलना शुरू किया था 3 साल पहले. फुटबॉल देखता बहुत हूँ, लेकिन खेलना 3 साल पहले किया था with my friend Bunty in the All-Star Football Club. I play, like 2 of my friends here, I play centre back. So that's only because I'm tall and I can stand in front of the goal and people can't score then. But I'm a very bad footballer. I'm a great fan though. और बचपन की यादें कुछ नहीं. I think everybody's played football. Football is such a great sport क्योंकि all you need is a ball and that's it. हम सब ने फुटबॉल खेला है बचपन में, चाहे स्कूल में हो या अपने दोस्तों के साथ हो. So I would say to play organized football, I've only started 3 years ago. I hope to be learning a lot from all of these guys here. These are some of the best in the business that we have, and they have great experience. I've seen a lot of them play live as well. I was telling Bernard that I saw him play in Paris a few years ago when I'd gone to see a PSG match. And yeah, PSG is my favorite French team, by the way.
I know.
Yeah. And we have some wonderful, wonderful talent. Gormangi is on my FIFA Ultimate team. He doesn't know that when I play FIFA. So yeah, the tank who we have now called Tank, because we have to give it an Indian spin. So I'm very very excited और बहुत खुश हूँ इन सब के साथ. बहुत ही अच्छे खिलाड़ी हैं and they're very very good at what they do. So I hope they can fulfill a boyhood dream of mine, that is to hold a football cup as well.
एंथम भी बनता है तो इस टीम का भी कोई एंथम कोई सॉन्ग टाइप का लॉन्च करने
जी हैं. दे आर एक्चुअली रेडी, लेकिन हमें लगा कि आज क्योंकि हम जर्सी रिवील करने जा रहे हैं तो सिर्फ यही करें. और हम ये भी चाहते थे कि माही भी हमारे साथ रहे. माही जैसे आप जानते हैं इज़ प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर द नेशन राइट नाउ एंड डूइंग अस ऑल वेरी प्राउड. तो जैसे माही अवेलेबल हो जाए वी विल रिवील द एंथम टू यू एज वेल. हमारे 2-3 हैं, एक ही नहीं है, 2-3 हैं. हाँ,
मेरा सवाल ये था सर, आप
जी.
जैसे आपने कबड्डी को किया, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अभी रुचि जो है, मतलब जो इंटरेस्ट है स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर अब लोगों की ज़्यादा बढ़ गई, अब लोग सोचने लगे हैं स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर, कबड्डी जैसे आपने चीज़ को बाहर लाई, सामने लाया, सपोर्ट किया, नाउ इट्स फुटबॉल?
I definitely think people are more interested in sports apart from cricket in India today. I don't think that has much to do with film stars. The sports are great, if the athletes are not going to perform well, if the players are not going to keep the audience captivated, there's nothing any film star can do. See, you have to understand, हमारे जितने भी franchisee owners हैं ISL में, हालांकि बहुत सारे film stars हैं, sportsmen भी हैं, but they're there out of passion and love for football. Okay? I don't think people are going to come to the Chennaiyin home matches because I'm the owner. Okay, maybe if I was playing, actually no, then even fewer people would come. But they're going to come because of all these gentlemen here, And football is an outstanding sport. It's a great sport. It's played widely in India. It just needs a proper structure, and that is what we're trying to provide in the ISL. And whenever Vita and I sit down and discuss about what are the ways to try and lure the audience in, we always end up with just one answer, and that is all these boys. The way they perform, the way they conduct themselves is going to bring in the audiences, and that's it. So I think there are 1.2 billion people. I told you this once before also. I was in Rio for the World Cup finals, and I had the pleasure of meeting Mr. Sepp Blatter, who's the head of FIFA. और उन्होंने मुझसे कुछ कहा जो मुझे खटका थोड़ा सा. He said, 1.2 billion people and you can't put 11 people on a pitch. So I think part of the ISL is here to prove Mr. Blatter wrong and say we are 1.2 billion people and we can put 11 people on a pitch. And all these people are here to help us do that. And I really do hope and pray that some of the people sitting on this dais who are Indian players have the pride to represent India at the World Cup and face brilliant players like Boyan and Bernard over there. So I really feel that the players are going to make the ISL a success, not us. मैंने उसको छोटू बुला दिया था because backstage they say Abhishek we both turn around. Yeah.
Tell us, Abhishek, what is your first reaction when आपको बताया गया कि you are part of this team?
देखिए, ऐसा मतलब ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत बढ़िया फीलिंग्स है कि हम लोग ISL में हैं और वीटा मैम, अभिषेक भाई, ऐसा ऑनर मिलना हम लोग के लिए बहुत नसीब का बात है. तो हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं ऐसा हम लोग को ऑनर मिला और वो लोग हम लोग को हर तरफ से बहुत अच्छा से सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो अभी हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि ISL में अपना बेस्ट देने के लिए और ISL फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग का ही चेन्नई FC के लिए हम लोग जीतने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे.
Yeah, thank you. All the best.
I mean that with the greatest of intentions. You have to understand we're starting off as a league. And when you're starting off, you have to start with baby steps. And I don't think anybody over here will say that, yeah, we can take on the Barças or the Chelseas or the Uniteds. Yeah, we can organize friendly matches and we might even win one or two. But, you're talking about the top level of football and we're a league that's just starting up. I think everybody has to show a bit of patience. The aim is to compete with them. We hope that in the Club World Cup someday that Chennai FC meets one of the big giants from Europe or from South America. and that'll be an aim of ours, and I'm sure everybody, including our international players, will say the same thing. But we're a new club, and like any new club, you have to give them time to allow the system to fall into place. So currently, we're not even looking at competing with them. Right now, we're looking to compete with the rest of our franchisees in ISL. Let's conquer that first step, and then set our sights on the bigger clubs.
What's the kind of experience you've had here so far in the practice sessions, in the on ground right now with the Indian players that you're playing with?
With the Indian players, I like to play with us because they listen, and Abhishek is my little brother, like I said, with another mother, but he's a good man, and every time he come and say what I can do the best, what I can play the best. So I think we have here in Indian, we can play some good games. We have a lot good player. Okay, Abhishek is a little bit small, but he has something, and we try to do the best for me. I want to win the league, so yeah, we'll do that together.
I'll start off. My boss is talking quite well for a Chelsea fan. I like that. I'm not a Chelsea fan myself, but it's okay. We are blue. I'll take that as well. I'll speak a little bit about my team, or our team, our club. What I like about us is from day one, we never ate separately. We never went to training separately. That's what I mean, is that Indians didn't go sit at one table. Foreigners didn't sit at one table. We gelled together. And you can only do that, being a foreigner, is taking in the culture, the tradition, and ask questions. Because I know this is not Stockholm, this is not Belgrade, when things sometimes run smoothly. You'll have to beep the horn, a little bit less in Mumbai and different other cities, but I get used to that as well. And the Indian players like to ask questions. They want to improve, and so do I. I didn't come here to fill my pockets and to go home after 3 months. I want to win this effing league, and I will do it with my boys, you know, and I want to do it together. And I promise to people in Chennai or in the ISL that we will fight to the last minute. Doesn't matter what the score is, we will play for this shirt and make people proud like the Chennai Super Kings done with Chennai.
Abhishek,
That's it. Thank you.
I wanted to know what prompted you to bid for Chennai FC, and also you spoke about the grassroots level training and all. So what is the plan for it?
Well, very honestly, the quest was to be involved in the ISL, be involved in the project India and ISL were putting together. And I was more than happy to be associated with anybody. When initially the bids were open, I did try. I was unsuccessful there. And when when the Chennai team came up, Vita and I spoke and we said, this is a great opportunity. Let's take Chennai, and we named it Chennai FC. And the rest, as they say, is history. As far as the grassroots level is concerned, that is something Vita and I believe very strongly in. And thankfully, each and every member of the squad is also being very helpful. And we have great support. You know, Srini here is supporting us there as well, and it's an extensive program to reach out to many localized schools. So each franchise in their localized area has been given a mandate to, in a sense, take over X amount of schools to train children, start up a grassroots program, start up youth academies in years to come. So obviously in years to come, we have a 10-year plan. In that 10-year plan, we're going to start up youth academies, train some homegrown players, bring them through the system. And we have great experience and guidance. I mean, somebody like Marco, who's our manager, I mean, he's one of the best of the best. He's won everything you can in football. We have some great international talent here with great experience. Like Bernard just told you, just the fact that people like Abhishek come and talk to them, they're both in defense, you know, and people like Boyan, Bernard will serve as great inspirations to the younger boys as well in the squad. Because, you know, the kind of playing experience these guys have, not many footballers in the world have, and the kind of knowledge that they will impart is going to be invaluable. So there's an extensive grassroots program that is laid out, which we plan to roll out over the next 10 years, starting from the first year, of course. And the idea is to, you know, really spread football from the bottom up.
as Abhishek said, my expectation is that they should just go to the ground, enjoy, and we'll party after the game. So that's it.
मैं जैसे सोहेल से कहा, मैं ना तो महेंद्र सिंह धोनी हूँ, ना बन सकता हूँ.
लेकिन सर आपकी बात तो हुई
He's,
होगी
yeah, no, whenever he is able to come, see, he's also representing the country, which is a huge honor, and as and when he gets the time, he will come and watch the team. He's already met the boys, he spent some time with them, and जैसे ही उन्हें वक्त मिले, जैसे अभी तो फिलहाल व्यस्त हैं, जैसे ही उन्हें समय मिले, वो जरूर आएंगे मैचेस देखने. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you for being with us. Thank you, Abhishek.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Mr. Gopalan, and thank you, Mrs. Dani.